All right, welcome back, guys. We're working in the shop today. We got this 3406 CAT, and before we started the video, we did an injector or a cylinder cutout test. It did have a miss at an idle. The cylinder cutout test shows number 5 injector not working. Engine seems healthy, no blow by, anything like that. So we're going to change out this injector, adjust the valves, and send this thing down the road. So thanks for tuning in. I'll show you how we do it. We're going to start off by just pulling this intake off. We're lucky enough that it's the number 5, so we're going to be under this 3rd valve cover. I don't have to move any of this junk, but it's going to be the same as far as the injector and the valves and stuff like that, no matter where it's at. So I'll go ahead and get this intake off, and I'll come back to you and we'll start working on the valve cover. Alright, got a 3/8 socket on an impact here. Okay, here we are. Number 5, number 6, so we're going to be after this one. Alright, next we're going to pull this jake off. I got a 1/2 inch 12 point for these bolts here, 4 of them. Then I got a 3/4 for these nuts right here. They're also hold downs, and then we'll lift this jake off. Okay, we got the jake off. I did have to unhook these wires off of it. You probably noticed I dropped one of these nuts down in here. I did just fish it out with a magnet, so don't comment, tell me I left it there. These rockers are just going to lift right off of this, so we'll get them removed and we're going to be down to the injector. So we are just about there. Are off. We got this injector hold down bolt here, which is going to be a 9/16, and then we've got a, I believe it's a 9/32. Yep, for these wire bolts. So we'll pull those off, and then we'll just use a heel bar and pop this injector out. Just shows us some O-rings. And conveniently, we're working on a CAT motor, and we have a CAT helping out. Fun fact: this CAT, I was towing a vehicle, I guess a week or so ago, camp trailer that blew a hole in it with a tire blowout. This CAT rode in the back of the tow truck the whole way home, so we decided to keep it. You have to bear with me because filming myself with one hand, doing this with another has got me fumbling around. Alright. Bolt down bolt. Yep, dropped it in there. Then we'll just get a heel bar up under this hold down and pop it up. Just like that. We got one fuel injector. Put this here. We got the new one here and this there. This one's going to be different for your engine, so you'll want to go off serial number, but this is this CAT number for this one. So we'll get the O-rings lubed up a little bit, blow out the hold down holes and everything, and we'll start going back together. Alright, really important step. You've got your injector hold down hole, your injector hole, and then every one of these that bolted the rockers and the jakes down, you're going to want to spray them out with air, because there is oil in those, so you're not going to get an accurate torque on the bolts. Good chance you're going to break the bolts, so you want to get those cleaned out. Just a little bit of air spray up there and get them cleaned out, and then we'll go back together. Something like that, we can see the threads. Alright, we got our new injector here. Got some assembly grease on it so those O-rings don't roll. Set it down in there with the hold down. Pop it in and torque this thing down. So we'll show you how it goes. Okay, we got that injector in. We're going to go ahead and torque the hold down. It goes to 46 foot-pounds according to CAT. So that's what we'll do. Kind of slow going here because there's not much throw. Okay. Looks like we're there, got it right on 46 foot-pounds. We'll put our wires back on. Those I'm just gonna go snug. You don't wanna break those little studs off the injector. Then we'll set those rockers and the jakes back on and torque them down. Got those snug. Let's get these wires out of the way here. We'll set some rockers on. We did blow out those bolt holes, so we're good to set them in. Okay, we set those rockers on. You're just going to want to make sure all your little valve crossovers are still in the right spots. Rockers are sitting on them like you're supposed to, and then on the injector. And then we're going to set the jakes back on top of that, and we will bolt them all down. So we're getting really close. Alright guys, so we're pretty much there. We're going to torque these jakes down. These bolts, the 12-point bolts, are going to go to 80 foot-pounds, and the two nuts go to 60 foot-pounds per CAT's torque specs. We'll plug these jakes back in with these two, and then we're going to check and make sure the valve lash is still on, because anytime you mess with this, you really want to make sure. If it's even off a little bit, we'll just run the whole thing, get it right. And yeah, that's pretty much it though. I just wanted to show you kind of the gist of getting down there, pulling the injector out, putting one in. You can never be too careful, so just kind of follow all the steps, torque your stuff, pull those bolt holes out. It's a pretty slick job on these old CATs. So thanks for watching, and hopefully we helped you out.